Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we are taking a look at a 2019 Range Rover. This one's black. Underneath the hood is a V8 supercharger pushing out 518 horsepower and 461 pounds of torque. For the wheels we have 22-inch wheels. Tires are in good condition. Inside we have a nice black clean leather interior. Panorama roof. Coming around back. We've got our supercharged Range Rover badging, a power lift gate, all season floor mats, cargo cover, fold down rear seats, up in the back seat we have rear climate controls. This one also does come with the keyless entry. We've got Meridian sound system, memory seats, power windows. Hopping in here. Let's go ahead and fire up. Push start ignition. A nice wood trim steering wheel. Steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities. Paddle shifters for extra performance. Nice beautiful media display. Rear view backup camera, navigation. We've got our climate controls right here, heated and cooled seats, our adaptive suspension. This Range Rover has 7,869 miles. If you'd like to view more photos, check out feldmannimports.com.